Can you believe that this earring pattern is made using a real leaf? This is a leaf skeleton and only the veins, which are much more tough and fibrous, remain. This means that you can add that texture onto a metal using a rolling mill. It's always good to practice this first so you know what the pattern's going to look like, and it also means that you can set your rolling mills at the right width. But this pattern looks really beautiful on copper as it is, and you could also oxidize that. Once you're happy with how the pattern's going to come out, you can roll your silver. If you use silver discs before rolling, you have to be aware that they come out a little bit more oval. So if you wanted circles, you could use sheet metal and then use a disc cutter to cut those circles out after. Mark, center punch, and then drill holes in the top of your discs. Once you have drilled, it's a really nice idea to burnish the edges of the silver to bring out a real shine. Then just use a polishing cloth to go over the surface texture. You can then just really simply add earring hook wires onto these discs and you have some beautiful patterned earrings.